Hey there, future digital moguls. Are you ready to dive into the lucrative world of digital products? If you've got a passion, an idea, or a skill, you can turn it into a digital product and make serious cash. Stick around because I'm breaking down the exact steps to get you started. First up, what exactly are digital products? Think ebooks, online courses, stock photos, music, printable planners, and even software. Basically, anything you can deliver electronically. And the best part? Once you create it, you can sell it an unlimited number of times. No inventory, no shipping, no hassle. Now let's talk numbers. Did you know the global e-learning market is projected to reach $336.98 billion by 2026? Or that top creators on platforms like Udemy and Teachable are raking in six figures a year? Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So, how do you get started? Step 1, identify your niche. Focus on what you're passionate about or have expertise in. Maybe it's photography, personal development, or coding. Whatever it is, make sure there's an audience for it. Step 2, create your product. Quality is key. Spend time making it valuable and user-friendly. If it's an ebook, make sure it's well-written and visually appealing. For online courses, invest in good recording equipment and editing software. Step 3, choose your platform. There are tons to choose from. Udemy and Teachable for courses. Etsy and Creative Market for printables. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for ebooks. Pick one that suits your product and reaches your target audience. Step 4, marketing. This is where many people struggle. Use social media, email lists, and even paid ads to get your product in front of as many eyes as possible. Collaborate with influencers, blog about your product, and don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. All right, here are some quick tips for beginners. First, start small. You don't need a giant product line to begin with. Test the waters with 1 or 2 items. Second, always gather feedback and be ready to adapt. Your first version might not be perfect, and that's okay. Third, keep learning. The digital world evolves quickly, so stay updated with trends and tools. Remember, the digital product market is big and still growing. There's room for everyone, including you. So go ahead, turn that idea into a digital product and start earning. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!